Namaskar, myself Dr. Shraddha Shelar. 8 September is celebrated as World Physiotherapy Day. Physiotherapy is an healthcare profession which assists the patient to restore and maintain the strength and health and well-being of the patient. So physiotherapy focuses on both the prevention as well as rehabilitation. Physiotherapy helps to cope up patient with chronic pain and disability through flexibility, endurance, strength, aerobic exercises and strengthening exercises. Physiotherapy can treat varieties of conditions such as in orthopedic, back pain, neck pain, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, in neurological, stroke, Parkinson, Bell's palsy, sciatica, in cardiovascular, CABG, coronary angioplasty, in pulmonary, COPD, asthma, pleural effusion, in pediatrics, cerebral palsy, muscular dystrophy. In cancer patient also, physiotherapy is most important therapy, and in breast cancer, in buccal mucosa and varieties of cancer. What is rheumatoid arthritis? Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease which usually causes joint pain and stiffness. So rheumatoid arthritis is usually affected both the side of the joints and it affects equally. So physiotherapy plays a most important role in rheumatoid arthritis. So physiotherapy, most of the doctor will suggest you to take physiotherapy after medications. So both medication as well as physiotherapy plays an important role. Physiotherapy has three main goals. First, in pain reduction. Second, to prevent joint deformity. And third, to prevent loss of mobility. So there are various techniques used in physiotherapy for prevention of rheumatoid arthritis. So first one is the hot and cold application. So hot application is used in acute stages, that is from 0 to 3 months, and cold application is used from 3 months to above. So next is manual therapy. So manual therapy is used for reduction of pain and it will improve your joint range of motion. So third one is electrical stimulation. The most of the patient in rheumatoid arthritis have severe pain. So to reduce pain, electrical stimulation will help. So next is therapeutic exercises. Exercise due to lack of daily living activities, there is decreased muscle weakness and decrease of strength. So to enhance, will give therapeutic exercise. Exercise such as strengthening exercises, stretching exercises, aerobic exercises, isometrics and etc. The next one is hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy is most important in chronic degenerative diseases. It will improve your pain, it will improve your joint range of motion. Next one is massage. Massage in rheumatoid arthritis, there is swelling in the joints and it will help massage to reduce the swelling, inflammation. Next is with physiotherapy, the physiotherapist will help you to joint strategies protection. So what is that? That is rest and splint. In rheumatoid arthritis, after few years, your joints are deformed. It will get deformed. So to prevent that, there are orthosis and splints. So physiotherapist will also suggest you the orthosis and splints, though it will prevent joint stress and prevent joint deformities. Thank you.